Key witnesses are now taking the stand today in the murder trial for Edrick Faust. He's accused of sexually assaulting and killing UGA law student Tara Baker more than 2 decades ago. 11 Alive's Marissa Sarbach joins us now. So Marissa, what were some of the key moments from today's testimony?
Ron, we're going to look inside Tara Baker's apartment. Images from the crime scene that were showed to the jury during testimony. We also heard from some of the prosecution's key witnesses, including the medical examiner, a lieutenant who handled the investigation at the crime scene, and a 911 operator. Tara Baker was a law school student at the University of Georgia. She was found dead in her Athens apartment on January 19, 2001. Law enforcement and the medical examiner stated she was sexually assaulted and strangled, that her body had a knife wound on the neck and blunt force trauma to the head. They also say she had been burned in her apartment fire that initially called cops out to the scene. In addition to the factual testimony we heard today, we also heard emotional testimony from Tara's best friend, the last person to see her alive.
Is that the last time you ever talked to Tara?
Yeah. I think the last thing she ever said to me was that I said, hello, and she said, you did not call me. And I said, I know, I'm so sorry. And she said, but you're okay? I said, I am. And she said, all right, I'll talk to you tomorrow. And that was kind of it.
So when you say I'll talk to you tomorrow, this is Thursday night.
Yes.
So tomorrow would be Friday, January 19th, 2001. Is that right?
Yes.
The case was cold for more than 2 decades, but was reopened in 2024 when new DNA technology allowed forensic scientists to retest preserved DNA. This led law enforcement to the defendant, Edrick Faust. The prosecution says there is a 1 in 800 quadrillion chance the DNA belongs to anyone other than him. The defense team is expected to argue there is no direct evidence like fingerprints or eyewitnesses tying Edrick Faust to the murder. Ron?
Okay, Marissa, thank you. By the way, folks, we're going to be streaming the entire trial over on 11 Alive Plus. You can download the app on your TV and watch the full testimonies as well as those opening statements.